Hello, little tiny dots. Welcome back to Abhyaas Kids. Hello, kids. Do you wonder how we travel in water without getting wet? Let's learn. These are the water transport. Water transport is the process of moving people, goods, etc. by barge, boat, ship, or sailboat over a sea, ocean, lake, canal, river, etc. Let's learn some more water transport. This is submarine. It runs under the water. This is a cruise ship. This is a paddle boat. We use it on lakes. This is a tugboat. A tugboat. This is a steamboat. This is a cargo ship. This is a hovercraft. This is a jet scooter. This is a sailboat. This is houseboat. And this is a raft. We do rafting. This is kayak. This is canoe. This is ferry. This is a schooner. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please like, share and subscribe.